So this is in your willing where it is.
It's willing, my lord. My lord, kindly take the page 97, last line. My lord, I have stated whatever is there, my lord. Delay ground is that, my lord. Even after this order, no step was taken by the DI. It was like that, and it will remain like that. It will never happen, my lord. After the passing of the order of the Honorable Division Court in a division bench, first time when the willing word was lifted, then I found that I also come within the same zone of consideration.
So that order was passed by us.
No, before your lordship, Gokul Chandra Mallik's order was passed. Then I found that willing teacher is not anymore a ground. So that, my lord, that is my only explanation I have. I cannot develop it anymore. It is the only explanation I have. I have come because I'm similarly circumstanced with this. And even after
Mr. Boisho, we are disposing it of. We are disposing it of excluding the term willing.
Lords,
Willing is not a term.
but willing is there, lordship. Single trial court pass a order willing.
Willing. That willing is to be modified.
Lords,
Ashok,
the order, so
same matter.
almost nearly identical. For your lordship's convenience, I am just handing over this.
Affidavit of service, as file, be kept on record. But there is a delay.
delay. Lord, I am also delayed 360 days, Lord. This application was also.
There's a delay of 339 days, my lord.
This is the order.
Yes,
Item number one.
there was a delay of one. And next one is a delay of
339 days, my lord.
39 days.
almost 1 year.
Almost 1 year.
And our is
And
366.
your lordship will kindly see paragraph 4, my lord. What is the reason stated there? Puja vacation and Christmas vacation, so he could not file for 1 year. This is the only reason. Yes.
I mentioned that.
This cannot be a sufficient cause, my lord. I humbly state to your lordship. Paragraph 4, my lord. They have stated.
Affidavit of service.
অম্লান একটু আগের ফাইলটা দাও তো। না আমি বলছি গ্যাস সাহেবকে গ্যাস সাহেবকে বলছি আমি বলছি
অর্ডার গুলো দিয়েছি। অর্ডার গুলো
ডক্টর পাত্তুর জুনিয়া
বেশি করে করিয়ে নেন এখানে। আজকেই করিয়ে নেন। আজকে দিনের দিন দিনের দিন
Here the application did not reach the DI.
Here, my lord, the application did not reach the DI. That's why the school was directed to forward it to the DI and DI to take steps.
In the other cases also forwarded.
Previous one, the previous one, it was forwarded.
Forwarded.
Previous one was forwarded. That is why I have handed over this order. It is on that line. This order I have handed over.
Only the word willing is there, my
Yes,
lord, in
yes.
this order.
In this order, my lord. This is কি নাম এটার জন্য?
Same thing.
No, Rupak Dua is different. Rupak Dua says that school is directed to forward, but the previous one it directs the DI to consider.
No, where do you find that?
Rupak, this is I just handed over.
Rupak handed over.
Yes.
Rupak where
Rupak second page, my lord, first paragraph. Rupak Dua, there was a direction. Rupak Dua second page, first paragraph. Rupak Dua ta আগেরটা সংগীতা দেখি।
in the earlier one it was forwarded.
It was forwarded. Earlier one it was forwarded. Here directed upon the school.
No,
দেখি আরেকবার।
earlier means Orchona.
অর্চনা দেখ, অর্চনা ব্রিফটা দেখ একবার।
TI to make an endeavor. এখানে there also there was transfer application was made.
Yes.
সমস্যা না।
But there was no direction upon the school in the last matter. There was a direct direction upon the DI to consider. In the last
That
matter.
will suffice in that case, first case.
Yes.
Because because school has forwarded. School has given not refused no objection. In the earlier matter, one. In the earlier matter, the court said school did not process the petition.
Yes, but there was no specific direction given in the previous order upon the school to forward the application to the DI. It says that
Then that has to be added. Then the order, how will the DI consider?
yes.
পাঠিয়েছে স্কুল পাঠিয়েছে ডিআই কাছে ডিআই কে পাঠিয়েছিল স্কুল পাঠিয়েছে পাঠিয়েছে স্কুল না ডক্টর পাঠিয়ে বলতে এই যে বলেছে ডিড নট প্রসেস দি পিটিশন আছে করে যাবো
না
ডিআই স্কুল কে নো অবজেকশন দিয়ে পাঠাতে স্কুল হ্যাজ টু সেন্ড ইট বাই প্রোভাইডিং নো অবজেকশন So where is that portion in the court's order? Court did not,
Court did not-
single judge did not
No.
say anything.
Did not say anything on that. Directly directed the DI to take steps in the last order.
In this matter,
But then what is the procedure? No objection has to be granted by the school and
School
then
authority.
forwarded to the DI.
Yes, yes. Then DI will take steps. That is the procedure. But in the last order, that portion was not there. একটা দেখছেন জজ সাহেব এখন।
School authority is directed to cooperate.
Cooperate. So in that case, my lord, that direction is necessary in that way.
You are not being able to tell us now that you don't know whether
Total
it has
position টা বার
been.
কর না। Total position টা বার কর।
Total পজিশনটাই দেখছি।
Brief টা আছে?
Total পজিশনটা
আমারটা নেই না।
না, না, total position, এটা আছে brief এ আমার।
In the first matter, we have passed an order.
Yes.
It is modified. We have modified to the effect that DI shall act in strict consonance with the provisions and the observations needed for taking steps for filling up.
Yes.
So that will suffice for you.
That portion remains. That cooperation portion remains.
And earlier case, my lord, page 70,
Huh.
earlier
7-0.
70, in the earlier, item
Huh,
number
huh, huh.
1. 70 is a total position.
Yes.
Now, your
So
lordship
what
will
we are
find,
saying, Mr. Mitra, unless school is forwarded.
that is why I am submitting. The school has sent it to the applicant. Now it is pending before the applicant sent. So, my lord, petitioner, my lord, school authority has to be directed to forward this to DI to take a decision in terms of 3rd January notification. A direction is needed to the school also. Unless, my lord, because the application is pending before the applicant itself. Because it is sent back.
It has been returned back to him.
Yes, page 70, kindly have a look at the top.
Yes.
Now, HOI to applicant. Last position. This is the last position.
Then the applicant has to give it to the school.
School in terms of 3rd January will send to the DI and DI will take a decision.
Upon granting no objection.
Upon granting no objection. Because single teacher is not tenable school. Because DI has to take a decision in terms of 3rd January.
No, then we will ask him to send the pro forma
Yes.
representations and everything to the school.
School.
And school will forward it
Yes,
to the DI.
yes. Yes. ঠিক আছে তাই তো
So, ওই যে রেকর্ডস রিভিউ তুমি একটা প্যারা দিলে না
the school. So my lord,
And there
if-
has been a direction upon the school authorities to send it to the DI.
like this.
Yes.
yes,
Like this.
here my lord, the application is lying with the applicant. In this case, item number 2, it is pending before the school.
Very good. We will
So-
say pending, we will again ask him to forward.
Yes.
Same. Because my lord,
There has been a specific direction upon
হ্যাঁ,
the
ঠিক
school
আছে, এটা
to
ঠিক আছে।
send it to the DI.
In the order?
In the order.
yes.
Let us,
So Rupok Dhua will follow.
no. In the order impugned in the present.
Yes.
The
Mr. Pandit,
first page, last paragraph, my lord. The authority of Babulpur Junior High School District Malda,
আছে
Only willing should be modified, otherwise
only the willing word should be modified.
আচ্ছা তাহলে এইটাতে আর ওই স্কুলকে পাঠাতে ওই রেকর্ডস টিভিল বলেছো না সেখানে বলেছে it has been returned to the in that case it was returned to you এখানে বলবে the transfer and the other documents
হ্যাঁ, এটা ঠিক আছে।
are lying with the SMC authorities.
এটা অসুবিধা আছে কি
No,
ফেরত পাঠিয়ে
no,
দিয়েছে
unless the direction is there, that school will forward.
my lord, it would be similar. I tell your lordship, it has been returned. It is also আমি বলছি
স্কুলের কাছে
নো অ্যাপ্লিকেন্টের লাস্ট অ্যাপ্লিকেশনটা রয়েছে তারপর তো
application
portal-
is lying before the school, page 81.
because the portal is not operational now, the school will not be able to send it to
So
the
that is off time that can be done.
There
yes,
is
there
direction
has to
upon
be
the
a
school.
that similar order is required because school cannot send it because the portal is suspended now. He cannot access the portal, so I need to submit a fresh application, then he will
School, it is lying, school has not processed.
Yes.
last application school has
Yes.
not processed.
Earlier on also, it was not court recorded, single judge recorded, it has not been processed. So we have directed you to file fresh documents to the
Yes.
school.
Yes.
Here also you file fresh documents.
Yes, that's what I'm praying. Yes, similar order,
Simple.
similar order.
শুধু the transfer application as uploaded is lying with the school authorities.
Yes.
ওই লেখা।
DI টা কোনটা হবে? DI টা 5 না?
এখানেও DI is respond number 3,
No, I'm just telling your lordship, DI Malda হবে,
respond number 5.
Malda, DI Malda
Five.
5.
5 পরেরটাতেও ওনাদের ওই ডিলেটা কন্ডম করিয়ে দেবে আর স্টেটের হয়ে মিস্টার পান্ডার নামটা দেবে আর কমিশনের হয়ে
Dr. Pattu is appearing on behalf of the commission.
Item number 2.
Item number 2, my lord.
yes.
Grateful your lordship, much obliged.
Didi.
No, sorry, Mr. Panda, we didn't, what were you asking us to consider?
No, I was saying about the limitation. I was saying that
Oh.
was first aspect, and second aspect, this order was already passed. My lord. The single judge has already passed, directed the school to send the documents.
No, but
The specific
billing
direction
what
was
is here.
In the earlier one,
Willing
it
is
was
there.
not there.
দেখি
Yes, the willing what is there? That
Willing
has
what
to
is
be-
there?
Willing what
দু
is-
নম্বরটা
Willing is there. দেখি একবার
এখানে willing আছে, এখানে willing
willing আছে তো?
Willing আছে।
Willing আছে।
চেম্বারে গিয়ে তারপর
First order টা বার করো,
ওই
last
জন্যই তো
page।
এসেছি, willing এর জন্য।
no, where is the
Second page,
147.
1 2 3 4
তারপর ওই
5
রেকর্ড
6 seventh line.
দেবে the school
Willing teaching.
which is ordered. রেকর্ড ওই যে কোট আনকোটটা দিয়েছিলাম না
ভালো করছে, ক্লিয়ার হয়ে যাবে।
এখানে এটা রেকর্ড রিভিল ওইটা বললে তো তারপরে দেবে by the ordered impugned the learned single judge
Lordship, item number 3, we had to file our affidavit. I'm out of time by 7 days. I've served my learned friend.
I am appearing for the police authorities in this matter.
pursuant to our earlier direction
By respondent 1 to 3.
Miss Pandey, learned advocate appearing for the respondent numbers 1, 2, and 3, has filed the affidavit in opposition. Stop. Let the same be kept on record. Stop. You have been given copy. A copy of the said affidavit in opposition has already been served upon Mr. Chakraborty, learned advocate appearing for the petitioner. Stop. The petitioner would be at liberty to file an affidavit in reply within a period of
7 days. 7 days.
keep it after vacation, Mr.
Your Lordship,
As
in the
this not-
first week of November, if it could be.
Within a period of 2 weeks. Within a period of 2 weeks, list the matter for further consideration in the daily supplement vote on 12th November.
Much obliged.
Lord, in the meantime, if a copy be served upon the state
Yes.
also, my lord, we can file.
All the next matter also similar. Having
Same matter, my lord.
I'm fine. I have handed over both.
গুলিয়ে যাবে
Item 3 and 4 both.
সেম অর্ডার করে দিন।
Your Lordships, I apologize. I was stuck in another contempt matter.
Yes, next.
My lord, I appear for the Madrasa Service Commission led by learned senior advocate Pratik Dhar. My lord, the similar matters are being heard by the coordinate benches of this court. My lord, your lordship was pleased to release the matter on earlier occasion.
Past SLST 2010 Madrasa recruitment process.
My lord, these are the orders of your lord.
Separate bench has considered.
Yes, my lord. Court number 16.
দেখি কি
The orders.
hearing concluded.
Yes,
Huh?
my lord. My lord, this is the last order of court 16.
Then how it will be considered?
Then let this matter go out of list till the decision comes from that honorable division bench.
ওর সাথে সিএবি করে রেখে দিলেও তো হয়।
No, we will record that it has been placed. You are sure that it has been disposed of?
No. Judgment reserved.
Uh-huh.
Hearing concluded, judgment reserved.
সিএবি। My lord, it's
Oh.
the last order of your lord. 26th August, it was made seal.
So you make an application for assignment
Yes,
to that bench.
yes.
Mr. Bose, learned advocate appearing for the
Appearing in another court, so I'm just praying for not to be.
What is the matter?
This matter, my lord, pertains to, my lord, transfer of the school teacher. My lord, here the rejection, my lord, is initially, my lord, I filed this writ petition, my lord, for my application being stuck before the School Service Commission.
PTR.
For PTR, that was over. My lord, the PTR was over, and thereafter, I was not a single teacher, and I was given with the NOC by the school. My lord, the DI, my lord, passed me through, and my application went to the School Service Commission. Then, my lord, it was kept pending, for which, my lord, I come before this honorable. My lord,
What did the court say?
the honorable court said that the PTR is not permitted.
PDR means?
I'm sorry, pupil teacher ratio
People teacher ratio is?
not permitting me to be transferred. So, my lord, this is why my application is required to be rejected. But, my lord, that part is already, my lord, taken care of by the school as well as by the district inspector of the schools. Because, my lord, what you have seen, my lord, the rules. My lord, the rules are specific about the actions of the authorities, what the school is supposed to do, what the district inspector and what the school service commission. My lord, I challenge that the school service commission has got no authority to withhold my application once this is, my lord, through everything.
It was dismissed on the ground of delay,
Delay is one of the ground.
primary ground.
My lord, my submission to that effect, my lord, that it was for non-consideration of my application. I came before this honorable court. Non-consideration of the application which was pending before the School Service Commission on the pretext that the portal was suspended.
Where is that memo of the commission? That it was, when did the DI send it on 16 September?
Yes, my lord, if I request your lordship, my lord, to see once. My lord, the application, my lord, for appropriate order, my lord, that
No,
was
no,
taken.
show us 16 September memo of the DI
Correct.
by which it was forwarded to the commission.
That your lordship will see on the extract of the portal, which is written like forwarded, backwarded.
Show us that.
That your lordship will find at page number 45
45.
of the application for appropriate order.
Hmm.
But there your lordship will see, if your serial number 3. Serial number 3, my application was
To HOI.
yes,
Then serial number 2 was HOI send it to DI
district inspector.
with the remark will suffer.
School will suffer.
Then forwarded to DI, remark approved means they are approving the reason of the school.
Yes. Not only the reason of the school, all other criteria which are required to be, well, taken care of by the district inspector.
So DI approves it.
Yes.
Your application.
Yes. And then it went my lord, up to the School Service Commission.
But you were not a
I was not a single teacher, but
then in your case 3rd January will not be applicable.
My submission to that effect that even it is not a case of the single teacher, my lord, 3rd January it should have been applicable. But in my case, my lord, this is already taken care of. It is already taken care of. It is not even the school, not even
Then why did you wait for 3 years?
My lord,
Did you make any representation to the commission?
No, my lord.
Then Mr. Roy,
I tell you, lordship, my lord, because initially this portal was kept suspended for 6 months. My lord, I waited till the portal, my lord, reopens. Once again, my lord, that got suspended for further 6 months. But this is how, my lord, it went.
So give us the dates. Where have you stated that in your writ petition?
My lord, about the delay, I did not, my lord, make any abovement.
Then
Lordship will kindly appreciate here, my lord. One thing may I just take your lordship to, because
no, Mr. Roy, you satisfy. Court has held that there is no explanation. Give us the explanation. We will consider.
my lord,
Court has not entertained primarily on the ground that there is no plausible explanation. Why did you wait? And the other ground is that the pupil-teacher ratio. Your contention is that issue is osseous now because it has been considered. DI has approved.
my lord.
But there is no explanation. 2022 is was approved, then why didn't you take immediate steps, forwarded to the commission?
But it was forwarded, my lord. I tell your lordship, it is true that I did not make any amendment in the writ petition. That why I did wait for this time.
Then
But my lord,
how can you?
I have made this specific amendment that the portal got suspended. That is one. And my lord, another thing, your lordship,
Show us that.
this-
Where do you have said that? Being conscious of the fact that you are filing an application after 3 years, your advocate on record will not give reasons. So we will give you permission to make fresh application now.
in that event, my lord, once again, I'll have to, my lord,
We will record that it was approved and everything. But it was not, writ petition was not entertained. We are not interfering of the order, but we will say that you would be at liberty to make a further application to the school, reiterating your claim and the facts that it was ultimately approved by the TR.
as your lordship, please. Because one thing, my lord, I was, my lord, there has been, my lord, I completely, my lord, bow down.
Mr. School approve করে।
Number 3, my lord,
Their application
First
to
application.
HOI. HOI next serial 2 gives it to DI with a remark.
yes.
DI now approves it and sends it to the commission. So then what the commission has done from 22 to 25?
No, my lord, that is because of the fact, my lord, after this, my lord, from 29 September 2022, the
Hmm.
portal got suspended, my lord, the
Oh, I see.
could not be processed.
Uh,
The commission's inactivity is only because of the, my lord, suspension of the portal.
I take it, my lord, on me, my lord.
it was- it's,
Here, it is down. It is down. Huh?
It was never challenged either by any of the parties. But this was not the point that was also taken care of, but was not agitated by the learned senior friend for the other side as well. But I tell your lordship, what happens here, my lord, in my particular school, there are other 3 teachers. Apart from that, my lord, there are other teachers because I'm a teacher of history. Now, my lord, this history pass degree as well as honors degree, some other teachers are also having who are not meant for history teaching. Maybe, my lord, for philosophy or maybe for the geography. This is how, my lord, the school have been dealing with this. So this is only why, my lord, the school has granted me with the NOC. So, my lord, this is a subjective satisfaction that has been already done, and this exercise, this procedure is already exercised by the school as well as to the district.
PTR is not a subjective satisfaction.
I tell your lordship, my lord, because what happens here, my lord, this is true that there has been only 3 teachers in this particular subject, and there are, my lord, 1,000 students in the school, entire school. So, my lord, what happens? There are other teachers, my lord,
Who will take up the history classes?
so this arrangement.
No, understood. But the PTR is not on the subject basis. PTR is the entirety of the school students with the entirety of the teachers. So that comes to 67:1, which
Does.
is
Does.
higher or lower than 40:1, which is supposed to be the maintained ratio.
My lord, it does, my lord. My respectful submission before your lordship, this situation
so that this could
has
be
already been taken care
taken
of,
care of.
but in an irregular manner. How can they take care of? If admittedly it is 67:1.
And it was the obligation on the part of the school authority. The rules prescribe such that before considering the application, these factors are to be considered by the school, and thereafter it
If
should
the
be
school is forwarding,
forwarded.
And also the
will it
district
not
Made the
mean that
remark,
the school
made
has
the
already
remark,
considered?
but the school should
and
not
also
have
the
forwarded
DI.
it. But this forwarded it, but with the remark.
So that was for the DI to reject then.
Yes.
DI to reject,
ought
but
to have
DI
said
also
that you have not followed.
now everything is coming upon the shoulder of the commission. Now the commission cannot supervise all these
Commission can't reopen that issue, can it?
Yes.
Commission
it?
doesn't have the jurisdiction,
No,
doesn't have the power.
have some powers have under the rules the commission is to consider all these things or whether those were considered or not.
This is objective. Teacher mention Each করলো না করলো স্কুল কি করলো irrespective of the read code can be done.
My lord.
The rider of teacher people ratio remains. So we can only observe that what he is arguing is also prima facie when the authorities have cleared this. How can you backtrack? But when it has been brought to our notice that teacher people ratio is this, how can we negate that issue and say?
And that point has been brought by the DI, by the state.
No,
because the school did not appear to this. Very well, my lord. That is, I think, my lord.
My lord, I just
রিডিউস করেনি কিন্তু সভ্যত টাইমলি আসেনি আমরা এখন কমিশন এইটাকে টাচ না করে যদি বলি কমিশনের তো কোনো এখতিয়ারই নেই
প্রেস অ্যাপ্লিকেশন করতে বললে কমিশন করতে তার অ্যাপ্লিকেশন
instruction Yes,
Yes, no.
presently, no.
No,
Unless
I don't have specific instruction, but my lord, usually no order is passed.
I was, my lord, having, my lord, a similar situation, my lord. It is not an, my lord, ratio that I'm just relying upon. In a similar situation manner, my lord, where the commission says that it is only because of the pendency and because this 3 years period was also taken care of by the honorable single bench, my lord, where, my lord, direction has been given for consideration.
but in that case, teacher-pupil ratio
That
was
was not there, my lord. On the
By
ground
the
of
very
delay, I
last
was
instance
saying,
I have
on the
submitted.
ground of delay.
a delay we can clear, but that will not help you. Today, if we tell that commission condone the delay, commission will take a decision. Today, if we say so, and commission has no jurisdiction to decide the teacher-pupil ratio.
And my lord,
So we cannot close our eyes to this observation, Mr. Rai. We have to either you satisfy us that we cannot avoid. So there will be two options. One is we can ask him to take instruction you serve afresh upon the school.
yes.
And second option is that we will not interfere with the order, but we will record that we will give you liberty to make a fresh application on contemporaneous documents together with the other facts, a fresh application to the school. In considering that school takes a decision and proceeds very good.
But
But we will not touch the teacher-pupil ratio because we will not be interfering. We will say that this order of dismissal will not prevent it.
Fine.
This much we can
may I just request only one thing? Because, my lord, I know, my lord, what happened in my school. My lord, if the school comes to your lordship and says that how, my lord, they are arranging, if your lordship, that would, my lord, reach to your lordship's conscience. I just request, even in that case, my lord, the school comes, that would be much better in this particular matter. Because I tell your lordship,
You convince the school, applications will be
now, my lord,
dismissed.
if my lord, this observation remains, my lord, the school, my lord, the percentage of 40:1 is not there.
Affidavit of service,
not
comma, as filed, comma, be kept on record. In spite of service, no one appears. You are for the state.
No, he's with me.
In spite of This matter,
I appear for the appellant petitioner.
appellate,
Yes, for the appellant petitioner.
out of time. Section 5 we have filed.
There is one difficulty, as per, I'm instructed to say, the matter is returnable on 3rd of September. As per the notice given, it is returnable on 3rd of September.
Chalo, 3rd September. You have filed the application for section 5.
Yes, yes,
You have served.
yes, yes,
Served.
yes, yes, service has also been made.
তাহলে 3 তারিখ দিয়ে দিও out of time. Yes.
Correct.
Next.
39 for the petitioner, my lord. My lord, the service to the GP was effected yesterday itself, and in that letter we particularly wrote that the matter shall be appearing on Wednesday, since the date was given on Wednesday, but the matter got listed today. Therefore, if you could kindly adjourn the matter till Wednesday.
3rd. Yes, next.
Much obliged.
I'm led by Mr. Shudip Ghosh on behalf of the appellant. My lord, this matter has already been disposed of by the learned coordinate bench.
Disposed of?
My lord.
They filed it
On 15th July, my lord.
15th July. Then how did the file come to us? আমাদের already disposed হয়েছে। We passed an order on 29 July condoning your delay.
My lord, the appellant's name is Devashish.
Kalyani Gayan.
No, Devashish Shud. Item number 10.
Oh.
মুশকিল এদের ডাক ডাক বাইরে দাঁড়িয়েছে
Yes, next 11.
At item number 11, I am for the petitioner. Last occasion also an adjournment was placed.
I'm praying the short pass over Lordship. Mr. Sharnal.
Madam, why you are embarrassing us? Or every day he comes and makes a sad face and makes a prayer before. একজন হারলো জিতলো শেষ করে দাও. Who is your senior?
Mr. Shubi Sharnal on his legs, Lordship. Mr. Sharnal appearing in this month.
So when does Sharnal rest? Every time we find he is on legs. He doesn't sit in court. কোনোদিন আমি শুনলাম না বসে রয়েছে. Always on legs. What is the issue?
My lord, the issue is, my lord, I was appointed in the year 2010 as a primary teacher, my lord. At that point of time, your lordship knows the qualification training was not mandatory and Madhyamik examination passed was the qualification. After I was appointed, my lord, right to education came and enhancement of higher secondary and training was made mandatory. At the time of appointment, my lord, I had 1 year primary teachers training. But your lordship knows after that Tulsi Bokshi judgment, those who have 1 year has to undergo a breach course. And my lord, NCT also laid down the qualification that the new qualification would be HS 2 years diploma or graduation 2 years diploma. My lord, after this 2010, in 2012 and 13, I completed my 1 year breach course. Thereafter, my lord, in 2016, I completed my graduation. Now, my lord, the 2012-13,
in the time frame.
Within the time, no, there was no time frame.
Time
Was
frame
5
was
years.
there in respect of breach course.
5 years, my lord. I have to enhance, my lord. It is within the time frame. Now, my lord, the board has refused to issue the certificate of breach course on the ground that when I did the breach course, I was not a graduate and I was not higher secondary pass. But that was not the requirement. Requirement was you have to 1 year PTTI, you have to complete it 1 year breach course. Thereafter, my lord, I completed my graduation. I have HS, but that is below 50%. NCT says graduation, irrespective of marks, and 2 years diploma, he is considered to be a candidate eligible for primary teaching. Now I have this qualification. What they are insisting, no, Since when you did the breach course, you did not have 50% in HS, so we will not
So
recognize.
what was your prayer in the writ petition? Give the certificate.
Give the certificate and A category. These are the two. I am now, my lord, according to ROPA 2019, there is no scale for B category.
What did the single judge say?
Single judge said that, my lord, only thing that since you did not have HS 50%, and at the time of doing your breach course, no prayer can be allowed.
So it was on affidavits.
No, my lord.
So let them come with an affidavit. Heard Mr. Dasgupta, learned advocate appearing for the appellant. He informs us that the writ petition was disposed of
My lord probably has expired, right? Senior advocate.
Oh, wow.
YJ Dastur.
Yeah, yes. See, we used to sit just on the
Yes,
same
because of
table.
that.
হ্যাঁ 4 নম্বর বাড়ি বলাইবাবু জুনিয়র ছিলেন তো।
4 Baras.
হ্যাঁ
This is the affidavit of service. This matter pertains to impugned order at page 60.
You are for state, you are opposing.
The prayer has been rejected by the authority. Prayer for compassionate appointment is turned down by the authority.
That is why I am here.
But you happen to be a kind person, I think.
Law does not permit, that's why.
All right.
Law does not permit, that's why prayer was rejected.
Just give us 2 minutes.
জানতে পেরেছি?
আশেপাশে কেউ নেই। আমি অলওয়েজ
দেখাই একশো।
কমলের মামলা না থাকে জুনিয়র না থাকে
Married daughter?
No.
Affidavit তো বটে। The issue
না
very married.
তখন ছিল না ফ্যাক্ট অন্য হচ্ছে তুমি দেখো তুমি দেখে
আমি দেখেছি। এখানে married is not the issue.
ম্যারেজ ইজ নট ইস্যু হলো টাইম লিমিট
কি করে যাবে?
some law points are involved.
You have not challenged mother's rejection.
No, what happened when I tell you? See, my father was a group D staff of a madrasa. When I joined the post 1st of May 2000. When I expired on
Group D staff.
Group D staff of a madrasa. When I kindly note that madrasa and school no rules are the different. It has been adjudicated in terms of that rules. I shall place. Let me break the facts. Father expired on 17 January 2013.
Yes.
Mother initially with the no objection of us made the application for compassionate appointment on 10th of June 2013 within a span of 5 months. The dates are very vital. That is why I am giving the dates. My mother's application was forwarded by the madrasa authorities to the DI for consideration 15 January 2014. After 1 year lapsed there.
7 months.
No, from the date of application 7 months, but from the date of death 1 year. Almost.
Yes, then.
Then it was kept pending up to 3 years there, therefore. 2016. Time has been gone by. At the time of making application of my mother, she was 48. Above the cut-off age for making application. Ignorant of law, being a class 8 lady.
No.
Now, immediately thereafter,
on the date of death also, by the time the husband expired in 2013, she was age barred.
She was age barred. She was age barred, admittedly, my lord. I cannot improve that. But one law point, then immediately thereafter in the year 2016,
you made an application.
Mother made an application and I also made an application. That instead of mother's consideration,
So joint representation.
Yes.
On
In the year 2016, I'm giving the dates itself.
16th of June 16.
Yes, my lord, that is there.
16th of June 16.
Yes. Now, the authorities, in respect of rejection of my mother's case, after keeping the matter for almost 2
Rejection
years,
order was passed when? When
2016.
was madrasa forwarded in 2014?
Yes, 16. That is why
15 January 2014 madrasa
My lord.
forwarded. Then when did the DI reject it?
my lord, page 59, that is 29th of August 2016.
Yeah.
Sorry, sir.
29th August 2016.
16 rejected my mother's claim.
But after making the representation was made on 16 June 16.
Yes, that is correct. After June, within 2 months. Now, again, rejection of my application, that is 2nd of December 2016.
2nd of December
2016, page 60. Now, if I make to your lordship to page 59, what is the rejection order of my mother's case? Or may I read for your lordship, my lord, or that I was above 45 years. Therefore, my mother's case was not considered. Now, next page, in respect of my case, they have held, since I have made an application after 3 years.
I appeared.
No.
Is it?
No. This is in respect of similar cases. I checked it up. And I also had an occasion to appear in that matter for the for this.
You were opposite.
No, it is this similar type of matter, whether delay attributable to the authorities for taking decision, petitioner can suffer or not. Although my lord, it is a single bench, honorable single bench decision, but that argument was advanced.
Very good. Then what happened?
Then my lord, kindly see the page 60. In respect of my rejection, since I have made an application after 3 years from the date, I was debarred for being considered. That too, taking recourse of the notification, if your lordship kindly sees in both the cases,
9 July.
9 July. It is not applicable to the case of the petitioners at all. This is in respect of the madrasa.
So show us which is applicable and
Madrasa Service Commission's rules are there in the year 2010. Although there is a time limit, but the DI has considered the totally another rules.
It does not make any substantial
No,
difference.
why I tell you, lordship, because it should have been, in terms of the dictum of the Supreme Court, every compassionate appointment, Justice Nagarata's judgment, your lordship knows, should have been decided on the date of completion of making application 6 months. If that is not done, then it delay attributable to the authorities for taking decision belatedly. If it could have been dealt with within the 6 months,
debarred on the date of death.
my lord, subject to correction, it could have been rejected on that score itself within the 6 months.
You had no right to be considered also. You were age barred.
Myself, my mother.
Yes.
Maybe there should have been subject to correction by your lordship. It should have been rejected or communicated to us by the school authorities or the respondents.
Where is the provision that if it is to be rejected immediately, it has to be intimated?
No, I borrow the provision, not
No,
provision.
you would have accepted your argument had it been a fact that your mother was within age limit on the date of death of the person. Finished. Admittedly, she was age barred. When admittedly she is age barred, then your judgment, this judgment will apply.
Justice Nagarata's judgment?
না প্রথমে যেটা ছিল Justice Torun Chatterjee's judgment that even if it is a minor, after he attains majority, his case should be considered. বলো?
Yes, that is judgment Iftikhar Ali, your lordship.
No, Supreme Court judgment, huh?
Oh, no,
Obaid something. Muslim name.
Soyadipti Karar.
No. There it was a fighting before with two brothers. Obeid Ali আর ওবেদ আলী না কি ছিল তো? Compassionate. Anyway,
If either it could have been rejected or the decline to accept the application itself by the authorities within the 6 months, it could have been rejected. If that is my argument, then I could have made an application, because at that point of time of death of my father, I also became major petitioner, appellant before your lordship, and in that case my case should have been
giving you the judgment. এই শোনো, এই সবিককে বলে এই লেখো তো compassionate appointment
in different courts. I was in court number 26. The court number 26 was apprised of. All the matters were done not today.
No, Bar Association has.
Bar life.
Bar Association. Bar Association. Mr. Bari say, I don't know, Mr. Bari say the Bar is took a resolution.
নিয়েছে আমি শুনেছি কিন্তু ফর্মাল কপি আমিও
Bar Association. Oh.
যখন বলছেন আমিও
ঠিক আছে না না Mr. Bari
I am sitting with a bar library member.
Yes, you are also
Yes,
a member of the Bar Association, Lord.
And bar library, we cannot listen to Mr. Bari.
Not only as for Mr. Bari.
No, not only Mr. Bari.
In event, my lord, in this matter, I pray for an adjournment. I had already a talk with the learned advocate. এটা খুলে ওইদিকে
Who is he is for the appellant?
He is actually the appellant in person.
What is the matter? What is the matter about?
The matter was, my lord, my learned friend. Now he has joined the bar. My learned friend, he was working as the
development
and planning officer of Kazi Nazrul University. Now, development and planning officer of Kazi Nazrul University, his recruitment was challenged by way of 2 writ petitions. One writ petitioner was a candidate, another writ petitioner was a local advocate. One writ petition, prayer for mandamus, etc. Another writ petition, prayer for quo warranto, etc. Now, my lord, as I have already told his senior, I will not delve into the merits, my lord, I should not. Now, in the main allegation was there was irregularity and breach of rule in appointing. His appointment was set aside.
So, 2 writ petitions were preferred or
2
one?
writ petitions, there are 2 appeals, my lord.
That's very good. Now, 2 appeals are here.
My lord.
So
Probably
then,
one step
now
petition.
the new person has joined his post.
No.
Post has not yet been filled up.
No.
Then the procedure, it is kept vacant.
Yes.
They gave to file to the.
It is kept vacant, my lord. I know. I am representing the university. I know, my lord.
So then, are you planning to fill it up now?
My lord, the problem is, my lord perhaps knows that
Yes.
in all the universities,
I mean, এটা কি দিয়েছে? Having determination.
in all the universities, my lord, there are no permanent vice chancellors.
This was heard by which bench?
This was
Appeal
heard
court?
by my lord Justice Kaushik Chanda. After that, appeal was heard by my lord Justice Tandon, sitting with. Then judgment was reserved, not passed. Then matter was assigned to my lord Justice Shen. Then probably determination changed and the matter. চিফের অর্ডারে অ্যাসাইন হয়েছিল মাই লর্ড জাস্টিস চ্যানেল বেঞ্চ।
So the entire selection process was cancelled. No, then he was a beneficiary of that
He was
selection.
the selected candidate.
Oh, I see. Who is your senior?
Mr. Urunanshu Chakraborty.
Eh?
Mr. Urunanshu Chakraborty.
Chakraborty, my lord, actually I requested him. I have a personal difficulty today. I requested him yesterday night that I am going to prefer.
Now, are you filling up the post?
No. Because how can, my lord, there are no permanent vice chancellor in any of the universities. The Justice Lolit committee is working. Justice, on 26th, the matter was posted before the Honorable Apex Court. The matter was not heard. Because there is disagreement between the Chancellor and the Chief Minister, Justice Lalit's committee has been.
A candidate.
In absence of Vice Chancellor.
interim order does not occur.
That is, my lord, perhaps they will ask for,
No,
I will argue.
we could have affidavits were exchanged by the parties.
Affidavits are ready, affidavits are
So
exchanged.
we could have told him to file the paperwork, we could have heard out the main affidavit.
My lord, as my lord pleases. My lord pleases.
Yes, what do you say?
Sir, my lord, presently I am, my lord, presently I am in financial crisis. So I request to your lordship to heard the matter as early as possible.
How can you have engaged an advocate? Oh, to hear, but you will argue.
No. Mr. Chakraborty will argue after he has been his service, then he had an LLB, he joined in our profession, my lord.
I just heard, I was assigned to justice, since division bench. We can assign matter for because of
Sorted করে বলতে হবে।
doesn't vanish.
No. অ্যাসাইন হয়েছিল মানে হচ্ছে
Having
bench of determination, যেহেতু my lord
You
justice
do
cannot
one thing, you take that instruction.
my lord. I will check and I will come.
You check and come with the written instruction as to whether you are initiating any step for filling up the poster.
I have that instruction. I have that instruction. There is no initiation.
Next Thursday রেখে দাও।
Thank you.
Yes, next. Yes.
Today, Lordship, I am unable to know it. Bar Association took a resolution, Lordship, that Lordship, let the matter be, I am only praying, Lordship, one thing, Lordship. If the matter is fixed for the Wednesday, Lordship.
Who is your other side?
Lordship, here.
What is the matter? Pension?
Lordship, pension matter, Lordship, here, Lordship, my only point, race judicator. Here, Lordship, one matter was heard.
Wednesday, yes.
Lordship. Wednesday, Lordship, I am extremely sorry. Thursday, Lordship. Thursday, I am extremely sorry.
Better it would be all Wednesday.
Huh?
Better if it is Wednesday, my lord.
Well, then, no,
It is
Wednesday.
a long pending matter. Time to time they taking
Not
time.
Thursday, only one day I am praying. One day I am praying.
Yes, next.
16, my lord, I am appearing respondent 2 to 5.
16, yes.
Lordship, praying for not today, as my senior is not available.
Who is your senior?
Learned advocate Sabyasachi Mukherjee, he is not physically well to attend the court today.
Yes, sir, will be.
Not today, yes.
Lordship, 17 and 18, Shamimul Bari is appearing on behalf of the appellant, Lordship. He is engaged in courtroom number 8, Lordship. Praying for a short
Now
pass.
here,
Yes, just now he went.
who is here? Who is the other side?
And I'm for the School Service Commission, but the state respondent, there was a direction upon them.
দেখি ফাইলটা দাও।
Commission has very nominal role in this matter. Order on the appeal bar করো।
দেবরায়। ছুটি হয়ে গেছে তো? এই শোনো, এইগুলো না, এই যে থার্সডে হচ্ছে, এগুলো
that this matter can be settled out of court, my lord.
Settlement, why?
Since regarding my lord, transfer, no objection. That issue, my lord, the lady teacher who was prevented from attending the school, my lord, since 2016, he is without in service and without any salary. The school authority appeared last occasion and said that they have no objection. Well, they have, and I have the instruction from the state respondents that they have already, they have already issued the no objection. They have no objection regarding the petitioners joining in her new post.
Then you are Orpita Guin.
My client is Orpita Guin.
You were the teacher. What was the issue? You made an application for transfer. Very good.
That application was not considered pursuant to the division bench judgment. That was considered. The School Service Commission went up to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court directed to consider my transfer application in terms of prevalent rule. That was considered. My prayer was allowed. Thereafter, a recommendation letter was issued. New school issued appointment letter. While joining, they asked me, you come to join with the no objection from your previous school. That no objection was not given. I approached this honorable court. This honorable court
Why no objection was not given? When you applied, they gave you the no objection.
Yes, that has not been given. That was not given. Then I approached this honorable court. So for no objection.
Debrai appeared.
Yes.
Mr. Debrai, yes, Mr.
My lord, I am
Debrai.
appearing on behalf of the school authorities. My lord, on the last occasion, your lordship is directed to Mr. Debrai to take instructions in this matter whether settlement can be done or not. My lord, today, my lord, I have no instructions to that effect that the reconciliation or settlement has been, or my lord, any sitting has been made or not.
Now, which is the next new school? Where do you want to join?
New school at Dam Cantonment.
So, why did the single judge reject your prayer?
Single judge reject prayer on the ground that no objection is mandatory. Without no objection, the authority was not.
There was no obligation on their part to appoint you.
Yes. So my transfer order was cancelled.
So you are now out of service?
Yes, my lord. I cannot join because on 2016, one particular day, one incident happened when the petitioner was threatened with dire consequences. He fled away anyhow, lost 2 FIR against the TIC, and thereafter he cannot join. He made several prayers to all the authorities, kindly secure my presence so that I can join. None of the authorities have responded by any of the respondents.
No, what made you leave the school? You applied for transfer.
Not initial, yes.
Transfer, no objection was not given by the school.
My lord.
But your application was processed.
My lord. Application was not processed.
Not processed.
I made application to all the authorities. School authority did
So
not
very
follow
good. Then what happened? How you were recommended to a new school?
I approached this honorable court. My application was not processed. I approached this honorable court.
Very good. What did the court say?
Pursuant to the order of the division bench, my lord, my transfer application was processed by the authority, and it was considered and allowed my prayer.
Who allowed?
School Service Commission.
School Service Commission has no jurisdiction to the debate.
Or
Your
recommendation?
Recommendation will be only after no objection and other paraphernalia.
Yes, since no objection are not given, even thereafter.
Then what did the DI do?
DI made a prayer authority to the competent authority that he is eligible for transfer, but the school did not.
Where is that? Where is your recommendation? Where is the division bench order?
My lord, I am coming, my lord.
Mr. Badi, you are not prepared. Adjournment hote dao. If this is the attitude, then it becomes difficult.
Page 56. My lord, page 56, so my stay application. 56 and 57, both. Wait, sorry, my lord. 156 and 157. DI personally inquired from the school authority and made this.
Just a moment.
These two documents, 156 and 157. and 158
Justice
also.
Dashodikari directed consideration
Yes.
for letter of the main in connection Sergeant order in terms of Richard 2014 I will make necessary arrangement. Acha, where is the director of school education memo of 2nd April?
That is on page 150, my lord.
Any problem?
150. Well, page 150, my lord. 150. ডিভিশন বেঞ্চের অর্ডারটা বোধহয় এখানে নাই। সেকেন্ড রিট পিটিশনটা সেকেন্ড রিট পিটিশনের অর্ডার নাই। না, অভিজিৎকে অন্য ব্রিফ গুলো যদি থাকে নিয়ে আসতে বলো। অন্য ব্রিফ গুলো যদি থাকে স্পিতকের সিঙ্গেল বেঞ্চের যে এটা
Yes, then what happened? Where is the commission order?
School Service Commission, my lord. Yes, my lord, that is at
DI send it to the commission. Page 156.
156, 157 and 158, my lord. Can you see three
letters were
Yes, my lord. DI personally visited and he recommended for transfer, my lord.
where he did not recommend.
Yes, my lord. Kindly page 158.
Page 158.
158, my lord. Kindly see.
Oh, Baba. Very good. Then what happened?
Thereafter, I made series of application to the school and all other authorities. Kindly transfer me elsewhere because I cannot work in that school.
DI said that you will be transferred to
Yes.
Belghoria.
They ultimately, my lord, pursuant to the order of the division bench, my lord, this is the recommendation at page 171.
Where is the division bench order you are
Division bench order I have not annexed, my lord.
Division bench who preferred the appeal?
I preferred the appeal. Single
Against the order of justice Dashodikari?
No.
Then
against the order of justice Dipankar Datta.
Where is when was that order passed?
After since the application was not considered, I approached this honorable court. Single bench dismissed my application.
Where is that order? Now the appeal court order. Appeal court order.
Yes, my lord. That is at
went to Supreme Court.
Challenging the division bench order, the School Service Commission went to the Supreme Court.
Sorry, Baba. So show us the division bench order and the Supreme Court order.
Division bench order is at page 67.
This division bench, this page 67 is an appeal against which order?
Yes, the order passed by the learned single bench rejecting my prayer for transfer.
Wait for washing of paper. So in that criminal case, what was the allegation against you? FIR?
Malat, several criminals, false criminal case. One of such criminal case, Malat, quashed by this Honorable High Court.
Then this page 89 order was taken in division bench.
Yes, my lord.
Division bench order rated against it. Page 89 না page 89 টা তো হচ্ছে refusal to quash and
thereafter school.
Are tell us division bench was against which order division bench was preferred by you, page 67.
That is against page 89.
Order dated 4th February 2014. Appeal against 4th February 2015. Where is that order?
Single bench order, perhaps I have not annexed, my lord. Single bench order I have not annexed. Challenging the order.
The petitioner have observed that the right for transfer should wait for a decision of school service.
May I have your lordship's leave to kindly interrupt the proceedings? The bar has taken a resolution regarding the sudden demise of Mr. Y.J. Dastur, a senior advocate.
A resolution already adopted?
Yes.
Mr. Badi was telling us,
Yes.
but we didn't.
Resolution adopted from 12 noon. Though it is not proper that I should request you, but if your lordship so pleases.
Not together. Okay. Monday we are hearing it.
Well,
instruction, no instruction, we are not concerned. Monday we will dispose of this matter.
Well,
combined list রেখে দাও fix করে।
At present, the school authority has no objection. So far, I take an instruction.
No problem. We will hear it out. Dispose of the petition.
Yes.
Inform
The school
Mr.
authority also suffering financial loss due to the litigations and litigations.
Mr. Debra Junior is here.
Yes.
Ask him to come on Monday. Monday এটা প্রথমে একটা ফরওয়ার্ডার্স একটা ফিক্স আছে না ওই যে টু বি মেনশনড আছে আচ্ছা একটু দেন হোয়াট হ্যাপেন্স আচ্ছা আজকে শোনা এটাকে ওই টপে রেখে দে মানডে টু বি মেনশন না টু বি মেনশনড রেখো না ওইটার পরেই নেই একটা যেটা ফিক্স আছে লিস্টটা কল করে দাও
আচ্ছা এটাতে কোনো অর্ডার হলো May I take your lordship's leave?
Where you will go taking leave?
There are other judges, honorable judges, I have to inform.
Well, 19, I am appearing of the appellant.
You are also appearing. Yes, tell us.
Well, the appeal is not proceed by the appellant, not to proceed. Since the learned trial judge has been dismissed this writ petition, when the millet shift.
The other side.
But it has not been served upon the all the respondent. Just now file of the memo of appeal and stay, and thereafter millet matter is appearing the first time.
Have written instruction.
No, millet, because millet he told over telephone that millet I am not. I
Bring the instruction, Mr. Rai. To be mentioned Monday,
Wednesday, millet.
to be mentioned Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Inform who, if anybody has entered appearance, inform me.
Mal.
Yes, take it up.
My lord, item number 20, my lord, has already called on.
Let it be called. Oh, we have already
Called on.
কি বলছো?
I am praying for, my lord, kindly take it for December, for September, my lord. My personal difficult, I am for the appearing for the state, my lord.
এটা তো order হয়নি না?
Item number 20.
20, my lord.
When do you want it?
20, only 20, my lord. I am praying for, kindly take it on 3rd September, my lord.
3rd
As because, my
September.
lord, I shall not come, my lord, but personal difficult.
All right, 3rd September.
My lord, my jobless, my lord. I am appearing for the state, my lord. My lord.
$39. My lord, I'm appearing for 39, my lord, for the respondent. For the respondent financial company, my lord.
All right, come on Monday.
No trouble, my lord.